how to restore your WordPress database on cPanel. Backups help you restore your website in case something goes wrong. However, restoring WordPress from a backup file is not easy for beginners. In this video, we will show you how to restore WordPress from a backup step by step easily. Let's open the browser. On the browser, enter into your cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log into your cPanel. If you already have downloaded the backup from MySQL directly from cPanel, you can import it real easy. I will show you two ways to import the database. If you have downloaded the MySQL database from the backup section in cPanel, you can import it there. So click on Backup. In this zone, we have a section Restore a MySQL database backup. So click on Choose File and select the file you downloaded. Click on Upload. Now the database has been restored. But what if you have a MySQL database that you did not download from this section? Let's get back to the cPanel homepage. Find section PHPMyAdmin. Click on that. Now click on a database from the left you want to replace. Because the database already has the tables, you probably get an error when you import the backup. So you will need to delete all of these tables before you import the new database. Please, just to be sure, before you delete all tables, do a backup of your current database. You never know when you need it. If you delete these tables, the action is irreversible, so it is better to have a backup. Go to the bottom of the page. Click on Check All. Now click on the select near the Check All. Select Drop. Click Yes to delete all tables. Now the database is clean. Let's import the database. Click on Import. Click on Choose File. Select the file and click Open. Now click on Go. The importing has been successful. In this way, you have imported an old database in the cPanel. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.